What's up, guys? I'm gonna be streaming. I'm just messing around with Visual Studio. So let me load it up. Get gum in my mouth. It's loading. And why does it say I'm not streaming? Because last time I checked, I was streaming. So let me check real quick. So let's see. I am live now, so let me pull up the chat. It does still say I'm live. I am live now, so let me. Alright, oh, I fixed the squeakiness in my chair. So happy that I fixed that. So basically today, we're going to be doing Visual Studios. Now, if you've never used Visual Studios, it's fun. So one thing I like to do is application, and I use the C++, but you can also do a lot of things because, let me see here. Where's the Windows Forms? Is it the form one? There's like different things here that you can do. And I'm trying to find the one that I use. You can do JavaScript, so I think, I do believe it was this. So let's create this project, Web Forms App 5. So it is this. Creating the fifth one. And one thing I want to try and do. Oh, another like. Oh, that's fun. One thing I want to try and do is see if creating an exe that connects to the internet makes your internet run fast. So here's the form. So there, I make that bigger. And just easily, I can add a web browser to it. So URL, let's do https www.youtube.com. Now let's run it. Might take a while to run. No biggie. Visual Studios does have slow latency with it, so it's gonna be slow. And I don't have usually like anything else running, but I had YouTube. So I'm a bit like, see, thing is with this, I'm a bit confused on certain things, like Because technically this is an exe. Now, let me, because this is being slower because it's being ran over here, let's actually pull up the exe in the file folder. So, I think I had this in my documents. So this, where's this save? What do I do? Save output as documents. It's in documents, Visual Studio 2017 projects, and this is number 5. So good thing about this is it creates the exe for you. So I just go here, and here's the exe. Now, one thing about this is that the exes should run faster because it's not being processed that much. The weird thing is that it logged in onto my other account here. So that's pretty cool actually, but there's no real estimate on how internet speed can be affected by it, because the thing is, if I open up a web browser and do a speed test, my browser is still open. I can't do I guess I can do a speed test on my phone, but I mean, it's not really going to be that effective. But let's see how the video processes on it. And mute it. Like, this is totally not what I clicked on, but
song Black Spider-Man.
Yep, as you can see, it's either my internet or what the hell is going on. See, now it's smooth.
This is crazy. I want to take this awkward moment as the music is going just to shout out all my fans. Rat Pack, thank you so much. I love you guys. Man, this album is the fight for equality of all man, women, and child, regardless of race, religion, color, creed, and sexual orientation. Guillermo! I just want to have some fun. Come on, join me. Sing along. Say, I've been feeling so down. I think they should know now. I think they should know. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? That's that road I've been down. I know how it go down. I know how it go. Now what's up? What's up? What's up? I feel like I don't belong. I feel like my life is wrong. I feel like I don't know what's up. What's up? What's up? What's up? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I ain't here to pick and choose. I ain't here to sing the blues. I'm just here to spread the clues. I'm just here to spread the news.
See, I mean, the process is okay. I mean, it's better than having, I don't know. So let's mess around with some other things. So, I mean, there's a button. I can do buttons, view the code. This is C++. And I'm going to be learning C++ a bit more after I learn more Android development. Because I know some of this, but like, I don't know a lot of it. And the only reason I plan on learning, let's pin that. The only reason I plan on learning is because of this. Because I want to learn how to code some of this stuff, like a picture box. You can add a picture, and yeah, alright, let's go here. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. There's the picture box. A pointer, you can change the pointer. I don't know. So I'm just gonna be messing around with this mainly sometimes, but see a picture box gone over there. Preview, I honestly don't know what this does. But the weird part about all this is that this is a simple exe program. So I can put a date picker on here on a simple exe program. So let me just run this real quick and show you what I mean. You just choose a date, and that's it, mainly. So that's pretty cool, dope. There's a ton of, this is like, with C++, this is really what I want to learn, because C++, you can learn the basics, but I mean, no one cares about that. I want to learn how to do stuff like this, and the thing is, no one needs to, like, you don't even need to know how to make a simple exe program anymore, because this does it for you. And thing is, I could try and make a file saver thing, progress bar. Now that's pretty cool. So let's delete that. Let me look at the code of this. So it does that. Let me start this. I wonder. See the progress bar. I wonder if I can make it go up by 50%. So value 10. Yep. So 100. So maximum I could do 1,000, and that would be out of 100. So this, honestly, I could just mess around with the streaming. Because what if you can make a streaming layout using that? Because you can make all this, say, you make all this, here, out here, oh, where'd it go? Just went into the, so I think if you double tap on it, you go into the code. You make all this out here, like, green screen or whatever. And you make this out up here so it shows. And you can just update it, split container. Like, see, I've never used, like, these things. I don't know any of them. Like, I don't know how to use these. So, a panel, I don't know why it moves everything up in the corner. But I want to learn how to use all these. There's so many things. The save file dialog. Color dialog. Which I think you can apply these things. So you can apply a print dialog. Now that's pretty cool. So if I run this, does anything different show up? So let me try Control P. No, nothing different. So I don't know. I have to mess around with this, but I don't really want to make this my main focus for the summer, because my main focus is going to be learning how to make Android apps and games, Android games mainly. So it's cool. I just have a Moga full art hollow. I dropped it. Looking at Pokemon cards I have a Charizard hollow. Pokemon Evolutions past year, which I don't think I've ever really looked at. Oh, this has old ass cards in it. Alright, my stream is back. I don't know why it just randomly disconnected, but again, I'm gonna be learning a ton more code, and yeah, so I'm just gonna end the stream here. Pretty short stream, didn't really do much, just talked a lot, and yeah, tested some things, and message queue, like performance counter, message queue, like I don't even know, like, I need to, like, study all this stuff because I don't know it. And the issue is that a lot of people don't make videos on Visual Studios anymore. So I'm probably, like, the only one, really. If you want to learn, probably just come to me when I start making them. And the thing is, again, with the Android app, I do challenges for this. I do, like, challenges and stuff. Because the only way to learn is if you challenge yourself. And you can't learn if you don't challenge yourself. And that's mainly all I'm going to be doing. Because the thing is, you might have a great idea, and you do it, but then you're like, now what? And then you stop. If you challenge yourself and create challenge lists, you have an objective, and then you learn. That's how I think of it. So I'm gonna be learning through challenges mainly, and I need to think of some ideas. I have some Android app ideas, but like I don't want to copy other apps, and I just want to like create a simple app, like just look at something and create that simple app for it. So I'm gonna end it here. Come back in like 10-20 minutes, and so stay awesome.